Have you heard that on January 1, 2020, the R22 refrigerant will become history? On this date, which marks the dawn of a new decade, the HVAC industry will turn a corner because R22 production and importation will become outlawed. Now, if your air conditioner or heat pump was manufactured prior to January 1, 2010, it probably uses R22. While you can still use your system after January 2020 if it operates properly and is well maintained, you must also consider the fact that as the supply of R22 dwindles, repairs that require adding refrigerant will become extremely costly. If you're an HVAC business, your customers will have questions, which you may have answers to, but the real question is, will you be prepared and proactive with a solution? The shift is inevitable, and your customers will want to know their best options. Hence, you'll need to figure out if you're behind the curve or ahead of the game in order to delight your customers and grow your business at the same time. There are 3 viable options to choose from if your air conditioning system uses R22. To confirm if it does, examine the label on the heat exchanger. This is the unit installed outside your home with a large fan. The label should indicate which refrigerant your system uses. Once you've confirmed that it's using R22, option 1 is to service and continue using your current system. The advantage of this option is, as long as your system is operating properly, you do not need to make an immediate investment. The disadvantage, however, is that when your system needs to be serviced, the cost of replacing the R22 refrigerant could be $600 or more, plus the cost of repairs. Overall, you're relying on an old, inefficient unit. Option 2 is to upgrade your system to use the environmentally safe refrigerant. But while an upgrade eliminates the concerns of having a system that uses R22, the work is complex with heavy costs and will end up with a hybrid system that's not designed for maximum efficiency. Option 3 is to replace your system before it becomes an emergency. This option has a number of advantages, which includes high-efficiency systems use much less energy. Manufacturer's rebates may be available. You may qualify for a tax credit if you install a high-efficiency system. Financing options are available to make it more affordable. The downside, however, is this new system could cost between $3,000 to $7,000, and you may not be prepared for such a large expense. Whatever option you choose, Hartzell's HeatAir.com is always here to help and ultimately provide a solution that fits your needs.